Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're having an awesome day. So we're on a plane heading to Manila right now, and guess what? It's my wife's first time there. Her eyes are just lighting up with excitement, and it's so cool to see how happy she is about this trip. Can't wait to share all the adventures with you.
Guys, first ever cooking or dinner.
2 hours later.
Ay, smile, smile sa balong. Airbnb, the best. Common kitchen.
Hotel versus condo. 1. Hotel hindi ka makapagluto. 2. Panay labas. Ang pera mo, 0.3 ubos. Ang pera mo sa pagkain. Condo. 1. Pwede ka makapagluto. 2. Pwede ka makapaglaba depende kung may washing machine. Mas makatipid ka sa pagkain at makaluto ka ng pagkaing gusto mo. Few days later. Did you know? Little Venice is a mall located in Makati, and its design is inspired by Venice, Italy. If you want to visit, it's best to take a taxi since there are no jeepneys that go directly there.
Kayo dalawa, bisa mo. Ikaw.
Guys, nagkaon na si Ma'am Evelyn sa Italy. Italiana na siya, guys. Kaon na siya, crispy pata de Mercedes.
Mag-walking dito ron.
Sige. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Ito yun, ina-order rice.
Ang kamot, oh. Donya kayo, ma'am. Guys, donya kayo, guys. Ang kamot. Mama na. Akadya. Kaon na siya, guys. Tapos pipata na, oh. Oh, wala po gana. Nara ko. Okay, guys. What's our new life? Few moments later. Sige, kaon sa amin.